their lineup. Keylor Navas in goal. Thiago Silva plays with Marquinhos in central defence. Idrissa Gueye plays with Marco Verratti in the middle. In attack, Edinson Cavani partners up with Mauro Icardi. Bayern Munich's lineup. Manuel Neuer starts in goal. David Alaba starts with Jerome Boateng in central defence. Thiago plays with Joshua Kimmich in midfield. Robert Lewandowski is the main striker today. Idrissa Gueye.
Now he can play it into the danger area. Can he pick somebody out? It's come off, and he's opened the scoring with a fine finish here early on.
You can't be too critical of the keeper, but he just needed some help from his defenders there.
Another angle on it here. Opportunity to play it into the middle. Coutinho! Reaching for it a little bit with the... Here they are, still probing away. Icardi! Fearing the equaliser at one end, they've gone and scored at the other end to put themselves 2 ahead and strengthen their position.
Well, quick passes, movement off the ball, tidy finish. This could be one of the goals of the season.
Different angle on it here.
And we've been treated to some really good football, because with that possession they've created a lot of chances and made life awfully difficult for the opposition. Deserved leaders so far.
He's cut it back, 2 for him today, and his team are benefiting from his sharpness in front of goal, knocking the ball into the back of the net. Well, he's doubled up here with his second goal, and he took it in excellent style, just like the first one.
And here is another angle on that goal.
It's short the corner this time. Now they've got the ball. Here's Pavard. He's looking for the cross. Lewandowski.
Free kick, Bayern Munich.
And the referee spotted that deflection. He's pointed for the corner. Swung in from the corner. Cross has come to nothing. Müller. He wants to pull it back here. Oh, that would have looked...
Bernat.
Out to Neymar. Out on the flank. They've set it up well for the cross. Cuts it back well. But when he gets a goal like Di Maria, it's usually a special one, and that's certainly the case this time. He's beaten the goalkeeper, but only just. It went in off the keeper.
Well, I think it was just a pair on the ball, Martin. It was too much for him.
Let's have another peek at that goal.
Magic Compilation. Mr. German Jackson, Pat Benatar, Go West, Ice House, Device. Magic Compilation. Tutta la magia della musica in un solo disco. Magic Compilation. Su dischi e cassette Globo Records.
Glenn Grant, ma sicuro. Ciao, vi aspetto. Glenn Grant, colore chiaro, gusto pulito, semplicemente perfetto. Glenn Grant, malto da intenditore.
Begins in goal. Diego Godin plays with Milan Skriniar in central defence. And as for the attacking tandem, Alexis Sanchez plays alongside Romelu Lukaku. A look at the opposition starting lineup today. A 4-4-2, but with the emphasis on attack.
Yeah, very much so, Derek. The number 10 will supply the support for the strikers. Three very, very narrow midfield players will all...
Now, Matuidi. Here's Ronaldo. And with tackling like that, the onus is on the referee to take action, potentially. Referees like to manage the game just as much as players do, but today it is an early yellow card, and we'll see what effect that has on the match.
Well, it'll have a big effect, especially on the player, and also the defenders around that player that's been booked earlier in the game, because they now know.
Lukaku in position. Well, he'd be disappointed if he didn't take that one cleanly.
It's all about timing. You've got to wait for the ball to come down, and he's very, very unlucky. Well, Derek, we have time for the replay now. A few half-hearted appeals from the players.
Alexandro now. Pjanic. And here's Bernardeschi. High degree of difficulty to hit it on the ball. Cristiano Ronaldo. Still pushing for that goal that would see them forge ahead. And offside it is.
Well, the defenders gamble a little bit there, and he's paid off. He's just offside. He shouldn't have gone as early as he did.
Federico Bernardeschi. Quadrado. Well, he did his best to remain onside, but just failed.
Yeah, it was close. It was close, but that's all it needs to be, close. He was offside.
Moving the ball nicely, looking for that final pass. He continues to make hay. Incisive ball from Matuidi. And there's the goal! And it's not as though we didn't predict it.
Well, if you spend most of the game in and around your own box, this is bound to happen. They need to try and get at least 30 to 40 yards further up the pitch. Well, I love to see goals like this. Just look, 1 and 2 touches. As they get close down, they move the ball on really quickly. It's a team goal in the end. A brilliant, brilliant effort.
Quadrado. Useful cross towards the near post. Making sure nothing untoward happened. A textbook challenge there from Sami Khedira. And the flag has gone up here, offside the decision. Fluency of movement. And the cross not quite accurate enough. Pjanic. Well, the fans enjoyed that pass. Alexandro. On to Ronaldo. And given the defender's touch, the referee... So the corner played into the box. It hasn't come to very much. Bernardeschi. Speculative effort here. Well, the respect. Matuidi, Cuadrado. And he has been ruled offside here. Can't have been by an awful lot.
Oh, I'm not so sure, but the linesman's got a better view than I have.
It's with Bentancur. Dybala. Cuadrado. Dybala. Can they trouble the opposition this time? And the cross is very much on. Ronaldo! And a goal it is! They lead by 2 now. Fully deserved.
Well, here's the replay. Defenders don't like it when he goes to wide areas because they know what's going to happen. The ball's going to come into the box, and on that occasion, it comes in, and now they're picking it out the back of the net.
Pjanic, Bentancur. Here's Higuain. Simple. Ramsey, Ronaldo. Ramsey somehow kept out.